Hello everyone. As we have done with the concept of exercise 7a, I'll be going for some selected questions from exercise 7a. Just go through that. It is not necessary that I'll go for each and every answer. At least I'll go for steps. At least I'll go for an concept that how you're supposed to solve. I'll go for a few questions. Rest of the questions you have to solve on your own. From exercise 7a, from question number 1, I'll go for question number 1, I'll go for fifth one. Question 1, fifth one. The question is 16 upon 81 raised to minus 3 upon 4 into 49 upon 9 raised to 3 by 2 divided by 343 upon 216 raised to 2 upon 3. Now we need to simplify this. Okay? So in this case, what we are going to do, we are going to use the rules that we have learned in the previous videos. Like here, if I see 16, this is 81. This is minus 3 upon 4. So if I take the reciprocal of this, the sign of the power will what? Change. Isn't it? So it will be 3 by 4 into 49 upon 9 as it is 3 by 2. Here it is division. So if I take a reciprocal of this, so if I go for multiplication, so it will be reciprocal of this, isn't it? 216 upon 343. There is no change in this power. I think I should make you understand this. 2 upon 3 divided by 5 upon 7. This is what? Divided only like this. So 2 upon 3 into it will be what? 7 upon 5. So what happens when we go for division? अगर हम reciprocal लेते हैं तो और multiplication लेते हैं तो उसका reciprocal होता है denominator का, इस term का, isn't it? Okay. Now we have to just simplify. As I've told you, you should know the powers like 81 किसका raised to 4 है ना, क्योंकि यहाँ पे base 4 है. So you have to just find it out. 81 and 16 must be the raised to 4 of some number. यहाँ पे 49 है 7 है तो वो किसी के 7th raised to 9 raised to ऐसा कुछ होगा. यहाँ पे 2 है ना. So we'll go for this simplification now. 81 और 16 3 raised to 4 क्या होता है? 81 होता है. 16 क्या होता है? 2 raised to 4. So can I write direct 3 upon 4 raised to 4? We have learned this, isn't it? A raised to x upon b raised to x will be what? A upon b raised to what? X, like this, isn't it? Into what? 3 upon 4 into 7 upon what? 2, because 7 square is, now you might be thinking why square only, because we have square a here and 7 square is 49 and here it is 3 square is 9 square into 3 upon 2 into 216 ये 6 का क्यूब है और 343 7 का क्यूब है, isn't it? Into what? 2 upon 3. Now this is nothing but 4 into 3 upon 4, 2 into 3 upon 2. बेस क्या होता है? 4 का 1 होता है. So multiplication में क्या होगा? ये दोनों कट होंगे, ये दोनों कट होंगे. Even this will get cancelled. Then 3 how many times? 3 will be 3 times, isn't it? 7 how many times? 3 times. All the in case of multiplication, numerators will be multiplied. 6 how many times? 6 2 times, isn't it? Upon what? Again 4 3 times. Again 4 3 times. This is not 4. We are here going to go for 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to what? 4 is 16. ठीक है, सॉरी फॉर दिस. सो 2 into 2 into what? 2 है ना. 2 raised to 4 16 होता है ना बच्चों. This is 3 into 3. How many times? 3 times. And here it is 7 into what? 7. After simplification, you will get the answer. Nothing is there to just cut the thing. 7 gets cancel. Even 3 gets cancel. ठीक है ना. Then this is 2 3s. This is 2 3s. So 3 3s is what? 9. And 9 3s. 9 into 7 sorry. Upon what? 2. So 63 upon what? 2. So this will come 31.5. This will come 31.5. In fact, you can solve this even though you are not able to see. I hope so it's very clear with this question. ये clear हुआ ना? 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 is 81 and 2 raised to 4 is 16. ठीक है? So like this mistakes we can commit. So be careful about this. Now I'll go for one more application from the same exercise. Here you have to apply the rules. That's all. Nothing else. I'll go for question number second का second. A plus B raised to minus 1 into a minus 1, a raised to minus 1 plus b raised to minus 1. Now there is a difference between this and this. This is whole brackets raised to minus 1. Here it is individual raised to minus 1. So we all know a raised to minus m क्या होता है? It is 1 upon a raised to m, isn't it? So this is the support. In support of this you can write. So this will be 1 upon a plus b. Here it will be 1 upon a. Here it is 1 upon b. So it will be 1 upon what? A plus b. तो इसका क्या आएगा LCM? It will be LCM will be what? AB. So here I need to multiply by b. Here I need to multiply a upon what? AB. AB, a plus b gets cancelled. What remains? It remains 1 upon AB. So can I write this AB raised to minus 1? Now if you see throughout this question, which rule we have used? This rule. Bachcho, all the questions will be based on that laws what we have learned, the concept that we have learned. It won't be out of that. I hope so. Again, this will be clear from your side. I'll go for one more question. I'll go for question number 3. You can solve on your own. You have to just apply the rules. Question number 4 even you can solve. I'll go for question number 5. I'll go for question number 5 ka first. In that question they have given us 2160 is equal to 2 raised to a into 5 raised to b into 7 raised to c. Calculate the value of 3 raised to a into 2 raised to minus b into 5 raised to minus c. This type of question is already solved in your textbook also. I'll just make you understand how you are going to ahead with this question. आपको ये दिया गया है बच्चों. This is given to you and this is you are supposed to find out. Now it's very simple. I believe I am copying wrong question. This will be 2 raised to a, 3 raised to b and 5 raised to what? C. So you have to find out 3 raised to a, 2 raised to minus b and 5 raised to minus c. This is what the question. Now simple. 2160 are in the form of what? They are the factors of 2, 3, 5 के factors इसमें आ रहे हैं. जैसे if I go for the factors 2160, ठीक है? So it will be 0 here. So I can divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 0. 2 8s are then 0. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8, 2 0. Be careful about here. 2 1s are what? 2. बच्चे डायरेक्ट 16 नंबर ले लेते हैं. You can't go for 16. You have to go for 1. 1 is not divisible by 2. That's why 0. ठीक है? Then go for 16. नहीं तो बच्चे क्या करेंगे? 1 8. I hope so you are getting what I want to convey. I'll go for 5. 5 1s are 5. Next is 4, which is not divisible by 5. That's why here it will be 0. Then again what? 5 8s are. Again I'll go for 2. 2 what? 5s are 2. 4s are 3. I'll go for 3. 5 plus 4 is 9. So it's divisible by what? 3. 3 27. 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are. है ना? 3 6s are. 3 2s are. 2 1s are. Also you got this. Now this 216 I'll write. How? 216. 2 how many times? 1 2 3 4. So it will be 2 raised to 4 into 5 how many times? 1 times. ठीक है? So into 5 raised to 1 and 3 how many times? 3 times. So I'm correct with the things. ठीक है? Now यहाँ पे you have to compare these two. 2 raised to a. So 2 raised to a means 2 raised to 4. So a की value क्या हो गई? 4. You'll put it over here, isn't it? Then 3 raised to 3. Here 3 raised to b. तो b की value क्या हो गई? 3 हो गई. और 5 raised to c. यहाँ पे 5 raised to 1. तो यहाँ पे c की value क्या हो गई? 1. So what you will do? You are supposed to find out this value. So you'll put the values of a, b, c in the given equation. I hope so. आपको ये भी clear हुआ. In short, you have to just find out the factors and you have to compare with this. ठीक है बच्चों? Just go through this. You'll come to know. ठीक है? We'll go for one more question. Question number 7 का second I'll go. 7 का second is 3 into 27 raised to n plus 1 plus 9 into 3 raised to 3n minus 1 upon 8 into 3 raised to 3n minus 5 into 27 raised to what? N. 27 raised to what? N. ठीक है. Now we all know what we all know, that if it is a raised to m plus n, then it will be a raised to m into a raised to n, isn't it? What we have done, हमने separate किया indices को, so that rule we are supposed to use here. One more rule, you can see 27, so 27 can be written as 3 raised to 3. 9 will be what? 3 raised to 2. So you have to just read that question carefully and you have to just find it out here how you can simplify in simple way. ठीक है. Maths is all about simplification only. 3 into 27 को मैं लिखूंगा 3 raised to 3 and this n plus 1 will be as it is. Plus है यहाँ पे 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to what? 3n into 3 raised to minus 1. I hope so आपको समझा. कुछ नहीं किया, सेपरेट किया. ठीक है. यहाँ पे 8 into 3 raised to what? 3n as it is, because there is no scope of simplification. Minus, yes, I can write 8 as 2 raised to 3, but I don't find out it's important because here it is 5. I hope so आपको समझ रहा है. ठीक है. Minus 5 as it is into this will be 3 raised to 3n. Now why 3 raised to 3n? 27 will be what? 3 raised to 3 and this n will be multiplied. Power law is used, isn't it? So in every case you can find it out. We are using somewhere any law. Now this will be 3 into 3 into 9 n 3n. So it will be what? 3n plus 3. 3 into n 3n. ठीक है. And 3 into 1 3 plus what? 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 3n into 3 raised to minus 1 upon this term as it is. Now what you're supposed to do next step, I'll just explain you. आपको यहाँ पे जो कॉमन चीज है वो कॉमन लेनी है. जैसे 3 raised to 3n कॉमन निकलेगा, इसको सेपरेट करो. ठीक है. और 3 raised to यहाँ पे 3 है, यहाँ पे 3 raised to 2 है, एक 3 भी कॉमन निकलेगा. And you have to go for what? Simplification. In this way बच्चों, if you come across any question, you have to just simplify it. You have to just use the rules. I hope so it's very clear. We will end up over here. Thank you.